This Monday morning, Nifty traders will have to brace for some volatility and wild swings. Blame the early morning drubbing too. Trump's new, one-time payment, $100,000 H-1B visa fee. The new H-1B visa requirement applies only to new, prospective petitions that have not yet been filed, the White House clarified. That brings us to our call of the day, which suggests Trump's order shall stir anxiety and nervousness in the Nifty IT index, and the said drubbing is likely to bring down the benchmark Nifty as well. Also, the Trump's tariffs and H-1B visa policy shall also threaten India's trade deal. Meanwhile, Union Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal is set to lead a delegation to the United States on Monday, 22nd September. Long story short, the bears are likely to everywhere. Caution will be the buzzword. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In Friday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 391 crores, while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 2105 crores. Risky sentiments are likely to prevail for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals suggest some massive consolidation play. FANO September month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,000 and 25,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index, is hovering near 9.97 levels. At last check, USD INR, September, was trading firm near the 88.14 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th September, is at 1.04 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 30th September, is at 1.03. Nifty outlook, volatility is likely to be the hallmark. Caution advised for Nifty's bullish traders. Nifty, CMP to 5327. Biggest intraday support for Nifty is now placed at 25,151 on closing basis. Immediate interweek resistance is placed at 25,670 mark on closing basis. Range for the day is likely to be between 25050 and 25450. Bias for the day is neutral. Sensex, CMP 82627. Biggest interweek support for Sensex is now placed at 81,100 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 83,000 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 81,000 and 83,000. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 55459. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 54,100 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 56,000 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 53,700 and 56,000. Bias for the day is neutral. Stock market news. After Friday's drubbing, caution shall continue to be the buzzword as long as Nifty stays below the 25670 mark, high as on 30th June. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Vodafone Idea, plus 7.14% gained in Friday's trade after the Supreme Court deferred the hearing on the telco's challenge to a fresh Rs 9,450 crore adjusted gross revenue, AGR, demand from the centre as the government sought more time to respond. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, representing the government, told the bench that since the centre now holds a substantial stake in Vodafone Idea, a solution that protects consumer interests must be worked out. He urged the court to list the matter again on 26 September for urgent consideration. 2. Adani Group shares were in limelight in today's trade after the Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, dismissed allegations of stock manipulation made by US-based short seller Hindenburg Research against Adani Group companies, including Adani Ports, plus 1.09%, and Adani Power, plus 12.40%.